Okay, so we're at split number 3 here. It's nuke box number 3. And this one was kind of a weird one. This was made a week before all the other splits. This one I gave a queen cell from the Demare split that I did. And I checked it out a week after or so, 10 days after, and they had chewed through the queen cell and I couldn't find a queen in there. But it's going like gangbusters. Look at it. See how busy the front of that hive is? Again, it can be an indicator, it cannot be an indicator, but activity is usually a good thing. Although so far, this is the 3rd hive I'm checking. The first hive had almost no activity in it, and it had a queen. The second hive had a ton of activity in it. You guessed it, no queen. So let's see what we got here. Either way, we got a decent number of bees. Okay, so I'm just going to set them down behind the hive. It's very heavy. And now we'll get the bees going on. Wow, good number of bees. Holy smokes. Let's check the lid. First of all, make sure there's no queen running around there. Oh, they good. Okay, so there's a solid 4 frames of bees here, which is what we want to see. They're pretty calm as well, which is a good sign. Okay, here comes the first frame up. Let's see what we got. Nectar and pollen, just jam-packed. This side, the same. Absolutely no movement from these bees. They're nice and calm. Look at how calm these bees are. Wow. That is such a good resource frame. It's heavy with honey and bee bread for the babies. Now let's see this one. It's pretty glued in, but I got it out okay. Okay, let's see what we got here. Nectar and nectar. That's it. On this side, hey, we got brood. We've got larvae and eggs. So here's a perfect example. Let's see if you can see some of the larvae there. I checked this a week ago, 10 days ago, and there was no sign of a queen, but they certainly acted like they had a queen. It's just that I didn't see her. So this is a definite sign of a queen. Now, an absolute worst case scenario here is that this larva is a laying worker, and that is a possibility. But again, there's nothing to do for that than wait until they cap it. It actually looks like they're starting to cap it already. There's larvae and eggs right out to the side here. Wow, that's great. Okay, so let's find this queen. Where is this queen at? Yeah, it's just nectar in the rest of those cells. Okay, so we do have laying in this hive, which is a good thing. Let's see if we can find the queen. Sorry, bee. Nice to see some more eggs and such. That was a beautiful frame for her to lay. See nothing in these cells. Oh, but there's the queen right there. She is right near the tops here. I'm going to try and mark her. Nice job, guys. She is right at the top. Well, I grabbed my first queen and then I dropped her. Gosh dang it. Where did I drop her? I think I dropped her over here towards the hive. Shoot. Okay, well that's a fail. That was my first time grabbing a queen. I don't know, can you tell? From the shaking hands and the horrible failure. Okay, let's get this frame in. Okay, well I think I've learned my lesson. The queen is in here. I found her again. And I started messing around with trying to cage her and I've lost her again. So I'm just going to leave her in here. Definitely didn't try to pick her up this time. Alright, let's leave well enough alone. And this will be deemed a success. Okay, let's get this string going now. Come on, bees, I gotta move it. Excuse me. Excuse me. Here's another nice frame of honey and nectar. This side, tons of nectar and bee bread. Okay, so let's not mess around with this one anymore. The queen is in there. She is laying. I spotted her, but I didn't mark her. And these bees are starting to get a wee bit worked up. So let's just fill up this hive and call it 2 for 3. Probably. So we're giving them some drawn out comb here. Again, they are foraging really well. They don't need feed right now, and the we've got a nice nectar flow on with clover and a whole bunch of other stuff coming in. All right, so we do have a laying queen in this hive. Hoorah!